It's Ivan here from the Ivan channel. What you're looking at now is the NAS Protect battery backup mounting plate. This smoke alarm isn't wired, it's just batteried, because the reason why you see wires is because that there was a wired smoke alarm there before when we didn't live in here. And now it's not, it's just a NAS Protect. Well, I was sitting in the bedroom playing on my iPad, and then this thing starts chirping. Not like beep, 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 but like beep, like a normal smoke alarm would do. So, and I thought it was doing the sound check. No. But I'm like, but Dad said it chirped because the batteries were dead. Well, I said no. NAS Protect is supposed to. NAS Protect lights yellow, and it doesn't give you the crazy chirp because no one likes chirps. Well, I mean, like they don't. I mean, they don't mind birds chirping, but they don't like smoke alarms chirping. But excuse that. But one thing we still have that is a NAS Protect is the wired one. At first, I thought it was this smoke alarm because the battery was not in it. Well, I mean, because there was not a battery in it, and it's a wired one. It's got hair on it. But and I thought it was this one too. But when Mom pressed it, it said, "Heads up, NAS Protect is disconnected to the internet in the hallway." But first I thought it was this smoke alarm. But it was just my first NAS Protect. Rest in peace. No, just kidding. And these are the batteries. So yeah, these batteries are not hard to find. You can probably get them at Walmart or Dollar Tree for a decent price. But when this one went out, but when the batteries on this one runs out, we'll see what happens, if it chirps or if it glows green. I have no idea. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for Ivan channel, and I will see you later.